Hi, first grade friends. Please write your name at the top of your paper. This week, we are working with phonograms. A phonogram is a series of letters that represents one or more sounds. The vowel sound changes in a phonogram. The phonograms that we are working with this week is awk, all, and ol. The first word that we are going to write today is the word chalk. Ch-awk, chalk. So I hear a consonant digraph, and then my phonogram is going to go in a long rectangle box. Ch-awk, A-L-K says awk, chalk. And I'm going to color that phonogram, awk, and then write chalk on the side. Ch-awk, chalk. Our next word is the word ball. B-all, ball. So I have my initial sound, B. I'm going to put another sound dot for my phonogram, all. B, all. A-L-L is my phonogram for all. And then let's write ball on the side. B, all. I like to underline that phonogram. Our third word is the word talk. T-awk, talk. T-awk. A-L-K is my phonogram for awk. And then please write talk on the side. T-awk. I'm going to underline that phonogram, A-L-K. Our next word is troll. T-er-ol, troll. I hear T, and then my phonogram, ol. T, ol. I'm going to color that phonogram, ol. Troll. T, ol. Troll. Please underline the phonogram, ol. Our next word is scroll. S-k-r-ol, scroll. S-k-r-ol. Write the sounds. S-k-r-ol. And O-L-L is my phonogram, ol. And please write scroll on the side. S-k-r-ol. Scroll. Please remember to underline our phonogram, ol. And our last word is fall. All. I hear my initial sound, then we have our phonogram, all. My initial sound, all is my phonogram. A-L-L says all, fall. Please write fall on the side. All. And remember to underline that phonogram all. Please write your name at the top of the paper. And boys and girls, we are working with R-controlled vowels. And you can see that we're working with ER and IR. ER says and IR also says The directions say, color the words by the color code. Box up each word using the ER or IR controlled vowels. And you can see that we are going to color green for ER, words, and we're going to use blue for IR, words. My friends, let me give you a little secret. When we hear at the end of a word, most of the time it will be ER. If you hear in the middle of the word, most of the time it will be IR. So ER, goes at the end, and IR, goes in the middle. Not always, but most of the time. And you can see down here, friends, we have a word bank at the bottom. Let's read our words together in our word bank. Flower, water, ham, bird, whisper, bake, squirt, girl, circle, spider, and stir. So you can see most of the time, if it is at the end, it's going to be ER. And if you hear in the middle of the word, it's going to be IR, except for the word stir. Look at the word stir right here. It's not following that most of the time rule. The IR is and it's at the end. So that's not always the case. Okay, so now we are going to find the picture of a flower. And you'll write in flower, ow, O-W can say ow, and then flower. And I like to put a little check mark in my box once I've done it. And then we will color that picture. And it doesn't need to be perfect. You'll just color it quickly green. And if you want to color the R control vowel, that would be awesome as well. Okay, our next word is water. Ooh, it's an A though. Water. Put a check mark when I'm done. Then remember, we're going to color it, and it doesn't need to be perfect, just a quick green to know that it goes with the ER. And then let's color the R control vowel at the end as well. Okay, my next word in my word bank is girl. Girl. G is a basement letter, so it's going to drop down low. Girl. Give a check mark when you're done. color the girl quickly blue, and then color the R controlled vowel in the middle. Okay, let's do one more together before you're on your own. The next word is hammer. H, a, hammer. Check mark when we're done. It has an ER controlled vowel. Give it a quick color. Hammer. And I think we have time for one more together. The next one is bird. B, d, bird. You can see we have our IR controlled vowel in the middle. And we'll just quickly color our bird blue. Okay, bottom row, whisper, baker, squirt, circle, looks like that boy is holding a circle, spider, and stir. Looks like that girl is stirring something in her bowl. All right, my friends, once you're done, turn it into the top basket and move on to Lexia. Way to go.